Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Gudger here. Now today I thought we would come outside because the weather is so beautiful and we would play a listening game. But before we do that, let's see if you can remember the 4 good listening rules. Are you ready? Good listening is listening to all the words. Good listening is looking at the person who is talking. Good listening, sitting still. And good listening is staying quiet. I hope you remembered all of those. I expect you did, so well done. Right, let me tell you about the game we're going to play today. It's all about drumming. And when we drum, we use different things to help us make a sound. So I've got some ideas of different things that you could use for your drumming today. I have got a special drumstick here. This is my little boy's drumstick that he uses to play his drums with. So you could use something like that. You could use a beater if you have a beater at home. If you haven't got either of those things at home, you could use a wooden spoon that you find in the kitchen. Or if you haven't got a wooden spoon, you could use a metal spoon. It doesn't really matter what you use, as long as you can hold it and hit things with it, then that's the main thing. But we must only hit things that we want to make a sound. So that does not mean that you can hit each other, okay? So I think I might use the drumstick today. And what we're going to do is we're going to go around. I'm going to have a look in my garden to see what I can find to bang on. And I'm going to listen to the sound it makes to see what sort of sounds that there are outside. Are you ready? Okay, let's go and find our first sound. Okay, for my first sound, I am going to use the wall of my house that's made out of brick. I'm going to use my stick to tap it with and see what kind of sound it makes. Are you ready? That's quite a quiet sound. The brick is very hard. Let's try one more time. I wonder if you can find some brick. See if you can tap on it. Let's go and find our second sound. Now for my second sound, I've found some plastic. In my garden I've got a compost bin, so I'm going to tap it with my wooden stick and see what sound it makes. That's quite a loud sound this time. I think that might be louder than the first sound on the brick. Let's try one more time. I wonder if you can find something plastic to tap on with your stick. See if you can. Now for my third sound, I have found some metal. This is the leg of the trampoline in my garden. So I'm going to tap it with my stick and see what kind of sound it makes. Off we go. That's quite a loud sound as well, and also it has a bit of more of a ring to it, doesn't it, than the plastic compost bin or the brick wall. Let's listen again. I wonder if you can find any metal. Maybe you've got a trampoline in your garden or something else metal that you can try and tap on. Why don't you see if you can find something? For my last sound, I've come all the way to the pond. And I'm going to tap the wood on the outside of the pond. Let's see what sound that makes. I'll do it one more time. That's quite a loud sound as well, isn't it? I wonder if you can find some wood in your garden to tap on. Go and see if you can. So, we've had a look around our garden and we've been tapping on different things to see what different sounds we could hear. We tapped on a brick wall and then on a plastic compost bin, on a metal trampoline leg, and then on the wood on the outside of the pond, and they all made different sounds. I wonder which one was your favourite sound. I think mine was the wood of the pond. It reminded me a little bit of somebody knocking on the door. I think that was also one of the loudest sounds that we made. I wonder which was the loudest sound that you made today. I wonder which was the quietest sound. I think for my garden, it was definitely the brick that was the quietest sound. Why don't you see what other sounds you can find in your garden and around your house? Maybe ask your grown-up to tap on something to see if you can tell what it is that they are hitting. There's lots of different things that you can do with your stick and lots of different sounds that you can hear. I hope you have lots of fun. Let us know how you get on. See you again soon. Bye bye.